Oh, yesterday I've given you one task, right?
Yes.
How many of you have completed that? You just tell me your roll number and
17.
9.
ये yes, ये 21, ये 9, ये
17.
70,
56.
22.
ये 56,
1.
54.
54,
8. 12.
57.
12, 8, 57,
10.
10,
1.
1,
66.
66,
6. 72.
6, 72,
5.
5. ओके, कोई एक प्रेजेंट करेंगे वहां पे. लेट्स सी व्हाट यू आर रिटर्न. कैन आस्क इट टू प्राजक्ता. इज देयर प्राजक्ता अवताड़े?
Yes, sir.
आपने लिखा है ना मैडम?
हाँ, yes, sir.
आप प्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं आपका स्क्रीन को?
Yes, sir.
हाँ प्लीज, प्लीज प्रेजेंट इट.
It is visible, sir.
Yes, your screen is visible, but you should present it. कैमरा का मोड चेंज करो. बैक कैमरा यू नीड टू स्टार्ट. हाँ, स्विच कैमरा बोलो वहां पे. जस्ट मेक स्विच कैमरा. हाँ, स्विच कैमरा पे क्लिक करो तो बैक का कैमरा स्टार्ट हो जाएगा.
Video on, sir.
हाँ, स्विच कैमरा पे क्लिक किए क्या आपने?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो नोटबुक में का दिखाओ ना अभी वहां पे. विथ कैमरा यू जस्ट शो व्हाट यू आर रिटर्न विद द नोटबुक. Okay. So it is. दिख रहा है किसी को? Is it visible?
हाँ
Yes,
सर
sir.
दिख रहा है.
दिख रहा है. Okay. You just read the points, madam. What you are written in the first difference. You just read out the points, please. Others note that. हाँ.
DITFFT stands for Decimation in Time Faster Fourier Transform.
Okay.
And DIFFT stands for Decimation in Frequency Fast Fourier Transform.
Okay. Second
Then
point.
next, in DITFFT, input is bit reversed while output is in natural order.
Very good.
And DIFFT input is in natural order while the output is in bit reversal order.
Okay. Next point.
Third point, DITFFT refers to reducing samples in time domain.
Okay.
And DIFFT refers to reducing samples in frequency domain.
Okay.
Fourth point, DITFFT splits the two DFTs into even and odd indexed input samples. And DIFFT splits the two DFTs into first half and last half of the input samples.
Okay.
Fifth point, DITFFT butterflies are defined on the last pass of FFT.
Can you repeat it, madam? DIT FFT,
Butterflies are defined on the last pass of FFT.
last pass.
Yes,
So what is its meaning?
sir. I don't understand this.
Maybe sentence is incomplete, madam. There. दूसरा क्या लेके आप पढ़ो? Let us understand what you are written for the second part.
DIF FFT, they are defined on the first pass of FFT.
Okay. Last pass and first pass they are telling. From where you are taken this?
Google.
Google. Okay. Okay. So anybody is having any other differences other than this? Yes, please. ये पॉइंट छोड़ के और किसी के पास दूसरा नया कुछ पॉइंट हो तो यू कैन जस्ट हाईलाइट ऑन दैट पार्ट.
The splitting operation is done on time domain sequence and splitting operation is done on frequency domain sequence.
Okay, that we can add also. What else again? What else we can add?
In DIT-50 multiplication is done on before addition, and in DIF-50 multiplication is done on after addition.
Okay, very good. Anything else?
Sir. In DITFFT, it is suitable for calculating ID of t, that is inverse discrete Fourier transform, and DIFFT is suitable for calculating discrete Fourier transform.
Okay, in that way you can say, but we cannot say it is like directly IDFT. IDFT is the different process again. So in DIT, what we are doing is we are converting frequency domain to time domain. That you can say. But directly we cannot call it as a IDFT process. Wherein in DIF we are converting frequency domain to the time domain again. In DIT, time domain to frequency domain, and in DIF, frequency domain to time domain. That you can say. But you cannot call it as directly the IDFT. The IDFT process is different again. Clear?
Yes. Sir.
Mr. Shubham Ausekar. Shubham is there? Shubham Ausekar. Shubham Ausekar is there? Shubham. Shubham Ausekar. You are in so hurry to put the attendance and rarely you are going to attend the lectures. Pratik is there? Pratik
Yes,
Walajkar.
sir.
Tell him
Yes.
after the lecture to call me. Right?
Okay, sir.
I am looking at this semester, he is very irregular and he is very hurry to put the attendance all the time. Ask him to call me after the
Okay.
lecture. Huh?
Huh.
Okay. Any other thing? Any other differences?
So in DITFFT, multiplier Wn is present at input, and in
Okay.
DIFFT, multiplier is present at output.
Okay, that somebody has told already. But still okay. What else we can add to that again? कितने पॉइंट्स हो
Sir,
गए अभी?
in DIT-50 algorithm are based upon decomposition of the input sequence into smaller and smaller subsequences, and in DIF-50 algorithm based on decomposition of the output sequence into smaller and smaller
Very
subsequences.
good, very good. That we can add. Okay.
Sir, one more point is there.
Huh.
In DIT-FFT algorithm, input sequence X of n is splitted into even and odd numbered samples, and
Okay.
in DIF-FFT algorithm, output sequence X of K is considered to be splitted into even and odd number samples.
Okay. Okay, that is, I think Prajakta has covered that point also. How many points you have written total?
6.
6 points. Okay. So any other confusion here?
No, sir.
Here you can add one more difference as a butterfly diagrams. तो butterfly diagrams तो आप last में add कर सकते हैं. Butterfly diagram in DIT and butterfly diagram in DIF. So almost 7 to 8 points will be there. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hope everyone has noted that.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise कोई एक group पे डाल दो. Let others will load that for like almost 7 to 8 point एक बार compress करके write it properly and put it on the group. Let others will also note down that part. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now can I move to the next part? Let us go through this presentation. So let us understand what is the comparison. Like here we have written. So here, as the first is the order of the samples. It is like in comparison he is writing. अगर आपको कुछ change करना है तो you just change on that part. DIT FFT, the input is bit reversed order and the output is natural order. Everyone has written this part. ठीक है? DIF FFT, the input is natural order and the output is bit reverse order. So this is a very important point to remember here again. Then next, based on the butterfly computation, it is comparison is written as the DIT FFT multiplication is done before addition and DIF FFT multiplication is done after addition. I think this point is also you people have covered.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes.
The DIF FFT is the transpose of DIT FFT बोल रहे हैं हम यहाँ पे. So that means simply you need to write the butterfly diagram for DIT and the butterfly diagram of DIF. Okay. Then
Okay, sir.
this is the structure is also there, but structure, if it is asked for like 6 marks, no need to go for structure also. The structure we can understand or we can remember for solving the example again. Hope you are understanding the difference in the DIT FFT structure and the DIF FFT structure now. याद रहेगा structure आप लोगों को?
So screen is not visible.
Screen is not visible. फिर अब तक चुप हूँ बोल रहे क्या सब लोग?
सर आप डिफरेंस बता रहे थे ना तो वो हमारे पास था.
अच्छा. Okay. Now it is visible?
हाँ सर.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So ये पहले पार्ट तो आप लोगों ने बता ही लिया था, like that is all there with you. So this is what the something different you need to add. ये मतलब ये comparison में लिखने का जरूरत नहीं है. So this is for your understanding. I have put the diagrams in a like side by side so that you can understand the complete difference in DIT structure and the DIF structure. Right? In DIT structure, if you look at into this, like it is a decimation in like 248 point. ठीक है? Then the inputs are in bit reversal order and the multiplier are at the input side and the output is in natural order for the DIT structure, wherein for DIF FFT structure the inputs are in natural order. The computation we are performing like 8, 4, 2 and the multipliers we are adding at the output side. And the output what we are getting from the DIF FFT structure is in the bit reversal order. Hope you understood. Any difficulty or any
Yes, sir.
confusion here?
No sir.
Structure याद रहता है अभी. So drawing
Yes, sir.
proper structure if you have like a 4 marks. अगर आपका structure properly आप drawing कर रहे, so it is like a 6 marks question will be asked. For drawing the complete diagram, you will get the 3 marks, and other 3 marks will be for the calculation. So you need to draw the structure very carefully according to the question. If it is asked for DIT, you need to draw the first structure. If it is asked for DIF, you need to draw the second structure. Hope everyone understood this difference.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, let us move to the next example. You just take the example on this. Note down the example. Then we will move further. Just a minute. Okay. Note down the example. It is asked, develop the DIF Ifft algorithm for n equals to 8. Develop the DIF Ifft algorithm for n equals to 8 using the resulting signal flow graph. Compute the 8-point DFT of the sequence. Compute the 8-point DFT of the sequence. X of n equals to sine pi by 2 n for 0 less than or equals to n less than or equals to 7. 0 less than or equals to n less than or equals to 7. Okay. Have understood the question?
Yes, sir.
What is the question?
Yes, sir.
Can anyone read it?
Develop the DIF FFT algorithm for n is equal to 8 using the
This is
resulting
full stop.
signal.
This is 1 point, right? Develop the
हाँ.
DIF FFT algorithm for n equals to 8. Full stop. That is one part. यहाँ पे क्या करना है आपको? Complete derivation लिखना है, right? So it is like complete derivation you need to write. After that, using the equations, what we need to perform? We need to perform the DIF FFT of the given sequence. Okay? So now what is the sequence? Sequence what they have given? Sequence क्या दिया हुआ है आपका? Yes? The sequence is given as? Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
What is given is x of n equals to
Sin pi by 2n.
x of n is equals to sine pi by 2 n it is for the value 0 less than or equals to n and less than or equals to 7. ठीक है? Now here first we need to generate a sequence of this. तो sequence क्या आएगा यहाँ पे? Can anyone tell me?
0, 1, 0, minus
0,
1,
1, 0, minus.
We need to
0.
go on substituting the value of n from 0 to 7. So with that, we can write the sequence as x of n equals to, yes. If I put n equals to 0, what will happen? Sine 0 is
0.
0. Then sine 90 is 1. Then again, at sine pi is again 0.
0.
What else?
-1.
-1.
-1,
0.
0,
1.
1.
1,
0.
0. -1.
0, -1.
-1.
Okay. So how many samples are there? 3, 3 plus 2. It is total 8 samples. Okay. So this is what the value what we require to calculate first. Now here as we are calculating it for 8 point. ठीक है, तो 8 point के लिए आपके क्या क्या वैल्यूज एक्सपेक्टेड है यहाँ पे? What are all the things you require again? So here only I will write it as a solution. Just write that as a solution. So what are the multipliers you require again here? As it is 8 point, we require omega 8 to the power 0. What is its value? Its value is 1. Omega 8 to the power 1. What is its value? क्या वैल्यू है इसका?
1/√2 minus j 1/√2.
1/√2 minus j 1/√2. Okay. Then omega 8 to the power 2. Its value is
Minus j.
-j.
minus j. And omega 8 to the power 3. Its value is
Minus 1/√2 minus j/√2.
1/√2 minus j 1/√2. तो ये चीज आपको बाय डिफॉल्ट याद रखना है अभी. ठीक है? एनी प्रॉब्लम विद दिस?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now let us draw the diagram. So diagram for DIF FFT. So we are drawing it as the diagram for with what we are calculating is we are calculating using DIF FFT. It is DIF FFT diagram we are calculating. Just draw the diagram. The diagram we are drawing it like this. So let me draw the diagram. First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So what will be the input for this? How will be the input on this structure?
Natural sequence.
Natural sequence रहेगा. Okay. So let us write it down in a natural format like x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, x of 4, x of 5, x of 6 and x of 7. If you want, you can note down its values also. तो इसका वैल्यू क्या है? 0, its value is 1, its value is 0, its value is -1, it is again 0, it is 1, 0 and it is -1. तो यहाँ पे डायग्राम कैसा रहता है आपका? Like how decimation we are performing? Yes, anybody? How the decimation we are performing here as a first stage?
8 point.
Yes, 8 point decimation we are performing. So let us draw this diagram here as a 8 point. Okay, so here what will happen? This from left side, the first point is added with where?
fifth point.
राइट साइड फिफ्थ पॉइंट इट इज। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे इसको हम ऐड कर रहे हैं। द नेक्स्ट, सो दिस इज एडेड विथ दिस पॉइंट, सो इट इज लाइक दिस वे वी आर एडिंग, then this is added with this point again, so this is we are adding the next, so this is added with this point. Are you getting this point? Any confusion here?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Now, and the fourth point on the left side is added with the first point on the right side, तो यह ऐसा ऐड हो जाएगा। So please complete the diagram properly, then we will go for stage wise calculation. तो यहां पे अभी मल्टीप्लायर कहां पे रहेगा, कोई बताएंगे मुझे? Where the multiplier will be there at this point? Yes,
Output
multipliers
side
कहां
of
रहे?
last four.
हाँ,
Output side of last four.
ओके, आउटपुट साइड ऑफ द लास्ट 4 पॉइंट्स, मतलब यहां पे आई एम जस्ट एडिंग द माइनस साइन आल्सो, सो हियर लेट मी ऐड द -1, प्लीज ऐड इट। यहाँ पे एक -1 रहेगा, यहाँ पे -1 रहेगा, एंड प्लीज पुट द लोकेशन ऑफ दिस -1 द मल्टीप्लायर्स प्रॉपरली, ठीक है, सच दैट यू विल नॉट गेट द कंफ्यूजन। दिस इज ओमेगा 8 to the power 0, omega 8 to the power 1, omega 8 to the power 2, and omega 8 to the power 3. Hope everyone understood this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
कुणाला काय अडचण आहे तर एनी डिफिकल्टी अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस? तो डायग्राम के लिए थोड़ा स्पेस रखो, वहां पे बड़ा डायग्राम ले आएगा आपका। So we'll go with stage by stage. Now, let's calculate stage 1 calculation. We'll calculate the stage 1 calculation. You write the first point as stage 1 calculation. Stage 1 calculation. तो क्या आएंगे पॉइंट्स यहां पे अभी? Let's write x1 of 0, x1 of 1, x1 of 2, x1 of 3, x1 of 4, x1 of 5, x1 of 6 and x1 of 7. ठीक है, तो अभी आंसर क्या आएगा? Let's write the first value as x1 of 0. Its value is, कोई बताएंगे मुझे आंसर? Yes, what is the value of x1 of 0? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
What is the value of x1 of 0?
X of 0 plus x of 0 plus 8 by 2.
X of 0 plus, what you are telling again? Next,
X of 0 plus 8 by 2.
no, x of 0 plus, after that what?
X of 4.
x of 4. आप और कुछ बता रहे थे?
नहीं सर, वही कह रही थी, x of n plus n by 2 है ना, तो x of 0 plus 8 by 2 कह रही थी।
Okay, it's like you are telling. Okay, so now in simple way, तो यहाँ पे हम क्या कर रहे हैं अभी? So we are just adding this point. तो ये लाइन हम ऐड कर रहे हैं, इसके साथ इसको ऐड कर रहे हैं हम। Getting my point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
किसी को कंफ्यूजन है यहाँ
हाँ
पे?
सर।
Any confusion here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
X of 0 equals to x of 0 plus x of 4. So that we can write it as the answer as again. So what is the answer we will write? So which will be equals to x of 0 का value क्या है आपका? 0
0.
plus 0. The answer goes 0. So similarly, calculate the values for x1 of 1, x1 of 2 and x1 of 3. So please remember that यहाँ पे फर्स्ट 4 पॉइंट में आपके मल्टीप्लायर्स आएंगे नहीं है. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? तो ये चीज आपको याद रखना है. यहाँ पे सिंपल लाइन का एडिशन रहेगा. यहाँ पे जस्ट कैलकुलेट इट, डू द कैलकुलेशन. So if anybody is having the doubt, you can ask me. कुणाला जर कळलं नसेल तर प्लीज आस्क मी द क्वेश्चन. मी विचारल्यानंतर कळालं नाही म्हणून सांगायचं नाही मला. So when I am asking you to ask the question, you can ask me 100 questions. So I am ready to answer it. But when I am asking the questions, you should be ready to answer from your side. Rutuja Yadav. How come two names are same?
Sir, it's Jadhav and Yadav.
Huh? Sorry. It's Yadav and Yadav. है क्या दोनों में? यादव जादव कोई है क्या वहां पे?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ मैडम. Are you solving the things? Rutuja
Yes.
Yadav.
Yes, sir. Solving.
Okay. Any difficulty?
No, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me the second bit answer?
X of 1 plus
हाँ.
x of 5 into w8 raised to 1.
कहाँ से आएगा मैडम w8 raised to 1? Look at into the diagram properly.
हाँ, sorry, sir.
हाँ, मग हेच तर कन्फ्यूज करून घ्यायचं नाही इथं. राईट. x1 of 1 equals to क्या लिख रहे हैं हम? Simply it is
X of 1 plus x of 5.
x of 1 plus
X of 5.
x of 5. आणि एक सोपं गोष्ट सांगू का इथं तुम्हाला मी? राइट. तो ये 4 सैंपल्स के वैल्यू कैसे आएंगे आपको? 0 1 2 3 ये साइड में, 4 5 6 7 ये साइड में. सिंपल वे. गेटिंग द पॉइंट?
Yes, sir.
आंसर बताओ इसका. x1 of 1 का वैल्यू कितना आया? 1 plus 1. It is
1
2.
plus 1, 2.
Then x1 of 2 is x
0.
of 2 plus x of 6 is equals to 0. X of 3 is x1 of 3 is x of 3 plus x of 7 is equals to answer 3 आणि 7 -1 -1. So it is -2. ठीक है. Any question here? Any difficulty? Any confusion?
No, sir.
Sir.
Pakka? Can I get some
sir.
response from the boys student?
Yes, sir.
काय अडचण नाही ना याच्यामध्ये?
Nice.
The simplest way to remember this is like how we are getting the output is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. सोपा आहे लक्षात ठेवायला. Can you remember this way? Like how the first 4 points are
Yes,
going
sir.
to be added. आता नंतरचं 4 point मध्ये काय डिफरन्स राहणार? Can anyone tell me? Now I wanted to calculate. The calculation is much simpler than the DIT for this DIF again. X1 of 4 x1 of 5, x1 of 6, and x1 of 7 is equals to. Now, who will tell me the value of x1 of 4?
0.
Oh, you first tell me the sequence. मॅडम थोडं स्लो जाऊ की आपण, बाकींना कळू दे.
x of 0 plus
x of 0 प्लस कसं काय येत आहे?
मायनस
मायनस हा x of 4 and this whole bracket, this is very important thing to remember here, is multiplied with what?
Omega 8
Omega 8 to the power 0.
ओमेगा 8 to the power 0. ये ओमेगा 8 to the power 0 जो है इसका complete bracket के लिए multiply है. So most of the students, what they will do, the mistake here is they will just multiply the omega 8 0 with this first bit x of 4. तो ये गलती मत करो. Can you remember this point? Huh? Have you remember? Can you remember this? मी सिंपल वे मध्ये सांगतो तुम्हाला इथं. हे डायग्राम असला कसा आहे आपला? So this is what the diagram we are having, right? So it is like this way we are having the diagram. This is A, B, and here the multiplier is omega n. So this is simply A plus B is the first part, and second part is A minus B multiplied with omega n. This is the simple diagram we need to understand. क्योंकि माइनस क्यों है यहाँ पे? So this is like a -1 we have multiplied there. याद रख सकते हैं आप इसको? Yes? Any problem in remembering this? Can I move further? Hello?
yes sir.
Okay. So now what is the answer for this? Omega 8 to the power 0 is 1. और x of 0 minus x of 4 value क्या है आपका? 0 minus 0. 0 multiplied by 1. The answer goes 0. ठीक है? Then क्या लोग calculate? Next part. What is the next part? Can anyone tell me? Who will tell me this? x1 of 5. कैसा लिख रहे?
x of 1 minus x of 5 whole bracket into omega 8
x
to
of
the
1 minus x of 5 whole bracket into omega 8 to the power 1. ठीक है? तो इसका वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करो.
0.
पक्का 0 आ रहा है. x of 1 is 1 and x of 5 is 1. So 1 minus 1 it is 0. omega 8 to the power कुछ भी है तो वहां पे 0 आता है. ठीक है? Now next part, x1 of 6, write it as x of 2 minus x of 7 multiplied with w8 to the power 2 is equals to
0.
x of 2 is 0 and how come it is 0, madam? Sorry.
x of
It
6
it is x of 6. Okay, okay. So it is x of 6, not 7. So x of 2 is 0 and x of 6 is 0. So value goes 0 again. Then next is x of 3 minus x of 7 multiplied with w8 to the power 3, which will be equals to
0.
So again answer is
0.
0. सोपा आहे, लक्षात ठेवायला इथं.
yes sir.
काय काय चेंज सांगताय का मला तुम्ही कोणी तर? Can anyone tell me, like in first 4 point what we have done?
Addition.
Simple addition we have done. And in next 4 part we are just the sequence will remain same again. Instead of addition I am just putting the subtraction. And it is complete bracket we are taking and multiplying with the multipliers. अंडरस्टूड? लक्षात राहील का ये कैलकुलेशन?
Yes, sir.
ओके,
Yes, sir.
नाउ वी विल राइट डाउन द आंसर्स हियर. लाइक x1 ऑफ 0 क्या है तो वैल्यू अपना? x1 of 0 is 0, x1 of 1 is 2, x1 of 2 is 0, x1 of 3 is -2, and these values are 0. ठीक है? Now let's move to the next part calculation. Can I move to the next part calculation?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I will delete this part and then I will go to the next part calculation. आप सर डायग्राम कंप्लीट करेंगे यहाँ पे? Can you complete the diagram? कैसा आएगा यहाँ पे? Can anyone tell me what it should be
Yes,
again?
sir.
क्या आएगा? It is 4-point computation, right? तो 4-point computation कैसा कर रहे हैं हम? So let me complete this first 4-point.
2 check cross कर.
2 check cross. गायत्रीचा आवाज आला बाबा, नसीब माझा. कधी नाही ते आवाज आला. गायत्री इज देअर ना? कुणाचा आवाज होता तो? हॅलो, कुणाचा आवाज आहे? हा, गुड मॅडम.
Hello sir.
असं कधी कधी आवाज काढायचं राहायचं मध्ये, बरं वाटतं आम्हाला जरा. ओके.
Yes.
2 grouping you are doing. Please complete the diagram. Then we will move ahead. स्वतःने डायग्राम कंप्लीट करायचं. So can anyone tell me like how these points are connected? Yes?
Left side of first point is connected to right side of third
Okay,
point.
very good. Left side of first point is connected to third point here. Okay. Then second point is connected to the fourth point. ठीक आहे? जसंच खालचं पण कंप्लीट करायचं का? Then this fourth point is connected to sixth point, and the fifth point is connected to, sorry, sixth point is connected to the eighth point here again, last one. Then, so this third point of this left side is connected to the first point. Then again, fourth point is connected to the second point. Here again, this seventh point is connected to the fifth point of on the right side, as well as the eighth point is connected to यहाँ पे. अभी, so you have to be very careful here again. So minus sign कहाँ पे रहता है? कोई बताएंगे मुझे अभी? मल्टीप्लायर और माइनस साइन कहाँ पे आएंगे यहाँ पे?
Third, fourth point.
थर्ड फोर्थ ला माइनस साइन राहणार. This is -1 and this is -1, and again seventh and the eighth point, -1, -1. The multiplier here is, what you can write?
Omega 4 to the 0. 4 to the 0.
Omega 4 to the power 0 लिख सकते, या omega like, okay, we will go with omega 4 to the power 0. Omega 4 to the power 0 can be written as omega 8 to the power 0, and here omega 4 to the power 1 can be written as omega 8 to the power 2. ठीक है? Then again, so this part, here again I will write omega 4 to the power 1 will be equals to omega 4 to the power 0 will be equals to omega 8 to the power 0 and this is omega 4 to the power 1 will be equals to omega 8 to the power 2. अभी इसके कैलकुलेशन करेंगे आप लोग. कैन यू कैलकुलेट द सेकेंड स्टेज आंसर? So here we will write the value of x2 of 0, or directly I will write the values here like x2 of 0, x2 of 1, x2 of 2 is again x2 of 3, x2 of 4, x2 of 5, x2 of 6 and x2 of 7. ठीक है. तो आंसर, who will tell me the answer of this?
x2 of 0 is 0, sir.
x2 of 0 is ऐसा 0 होता है मैडम.
x1 of 0 plus x1 of 2.
सो यहाँ पे डायरेक्टली 0 x1 of 0 plus x1 of 2, 0 plus 0, the value goes 0 again. ठीक है. Then x2 of 1, आंसर्स बताते जाओ. लेट अस चेक.
0.
This is 0, this is 0, x1 of 2,
0.
0.
x2 of 2 will be equals to, how you are writing this? Should be in bracket
x1 of 0 minus x1 of 2 whole bracket.
x1 of 0 minus x1 of 2 whole bracket multiplied with w8 to the power 0 or w4 to the power 0, doesn't make any difference. क्या आ रहा वैल्यू? 0. ठीक है. x2 of 3,
So
Minus
x2 of
4j.
1 should be 2, no?
x2 of 1, x2 of 1 should be it is 2 minus 2 ना मैडम, because x1 of 3 is minus 2. The value of x1 of 3 is minus 2 is there. चालू कराने दो तुम्हें. हाँ. बराबर. x1 of 1 is 2 and x1 of 3 is minus 2. So 2 minus 2 you will get, na? Yes or no? Huh? Is that correct? 2 minus 2, it is 0.
Yes, sir.
हाँ sir.
Huh. Okay. Then next, x2 of 3
minus 4j.
minus
4j.
4j. Okay. Then next, x2 of 4,
0.
0.
0. Then next, x2 of 5,
0.
0. x2 of 6,
0.
सब 0 आ रह गया. पक्का?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 0. Then last one. Last one क्या आएगा?
0.
0 आएगा. Okay. So hope you all have understood this. Second stage computation. Any difficulty in that part? Any
No, sir.
confusion or any difficulty?
No, sir.
Then we will move to the third stage computation. So third stage computation, just complete it. Draw the diagram. मेरा डायग्राम थोड़ा इधर उधर जा रहा है अभी. Okay. So now let us draw the last diagram and we'll calculate finally. Should I give you this task to complete this? Complete करेंगे यहाँ पे?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you please start marking your attendance. So इसका आप computation you just do this part. And can anyone tell me what will be the answer here? Whether answer in natural order or bit reversal order?
Reversal.
Bit reversal order में आ रहा है. So finally you should write that answer in the natural order. ठीक है? जो वैल्यू आ रहा है आपका वो वैल्यू बिट रिवर्सल ऑर्डर में रहता है, तो उसको आपको नेचुरल ऑर्डर में लिखना है लास्ट में, राइट? यस सर नो?
Yes, sir.
ओके, सो कैन यू कंप्लीट दैट पार्ट?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
we'll stop it here and you please continue that, complete it, and we will have a discussion again tomorrow on this lecture or tomorrow on this topic.
सर
Yes,
सर माझा रोल नंबर येत नाही A50 गायत्री सर
मेसेज जात नाही का?
नाही जाते फेल टू सेंड म्हणतात.
ओके, ठीक है. So I am stopping say, like a share part. We'll close the session. Ketki Deshpande want to join the session now. I don't know what is the problem. बसा की 2 मिनट. Still anybody is having any problem?